Hello there, welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to show you what we're doing in our home. It's all to do with my Tesla. What we're actually having done is we're installing PV solar on the roof, 20 panels, plus we're having battery storage of two 6.5 grow watt batteries. So let's see what's going on and let's watch it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.
We're from Deege Solar. We're now in Coventry installing 20 panels of solar wedge with battery storage.
Even in Bedworth?
In Bedworth, either or. My name's Craig, I'm the head roofer at Deege Solar.
My name's Liam, I'm the electrician.
That's short.
My name's Pat.
I've got Pat. And we're here to plug into the sun for the gentleman today. Lovely.
Well, this is day one. Up in the loft we've got the solar edge that has been put onto the fireboard along with the grow watt hybrid inverter. We also have two 6.5 grow watt batteries. So that grow watts for the battery, is it? Grow watt inverter.
Grow watts for the battery, that's the storage unit.
Yeah, so is that a hybrid?
Yeah, it's a hybrid. And then that will be where your solar panels are plugged into.
Yeah, it's your solar edge.
It's solar edge.
Just here we've got two 6.5 kilowatt grow watt batteries. That's giving 13 kilowatts of batteries. I plan to only charge to 80%, discharge to 20%, and hopefully then make the batteries last a little bit longer. But I'll see how I go. We're coming up to autumn now, so the batteries will be used more during the winter when I'll charge on the Octopus of the 5p at night. So come the summertime, when we've got more solar available, we'll see how it goes with the charging situation. I might need to adjust it. So that's it. Everything's all installed now. I'll keep you updated with what's going on.